Hi, Miss M7146. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Mitchell Espina. I was born in September 3, 1981. I'm 45 years old. I have four kids. I'm married and Filipino and Catholic. I I'm work experience in Kuwait and I'm focused on taking care of twins, boys and 6 months baby. I I do
So,
all around. I like cooking, washing clothes, and ironing and cleaning.
okay, so you are the one who do all the household chores. And can you also please louder your voice so that I can hear you, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you are the one who do all the household chores and taking good care of the children and the baby, which is 6 months old. So since you have experience taking care of a baby, my question is, what will you do if the baby is crying?
Is I check and temperature and prepare foods and just
Change the diaper.
then
Okay, if the baby won't stop to cry after you did your very best, what will you do?
I call and I call in madam and
Okay, you will call your madam, your employer. Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food? Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
I say YouTube. I'm I'm saying recipe book.
Okay, if your employer prepare food, it's okay to you to eat.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, it's okay to you to share job without a helper.
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
Yes.
How about to learn their language?
Yes.
Can you promise not to use cell phone while working?
Yes.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your dearest employer?
To my future employers and your hope and hire me and I do your roles and honest and with unwilling to learn your language. Thank you and God bless.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Michelle. Thank you.